All right, here he goes. He's off and rolling. Here comes Ron Wistoff, Forest City, Illinois. Got a nice painted up 720 chrome pipe and all coming down the track here in Havana. Look at him go. Lickety split. Come on, Ron. You can do it there, buddy. Look at him go. Right down the track. He isn't slowing up yet. Come on, Ron, you can do it there, buddy. Look at him go. Making it work for all at once. Look at him go. Come on, Ron. He's still going. He's still rolling. Getting a little tough right about here. There it is. Good pull by Ron Wistoff.